Okay, thank you. So following the honor that we have been given by UNWTO about the gastronomy tourism in Africa, we feel that since the UNWTO is coming up with conferences for the regions, for Africa, it must start with us. We feel we can start that conference in Zimbabwe, and we have already put up a proposal to the Secretary General if they may consider Zimbabwe to start the first ever gastronomy conference in Africa. Our First Lady has been honored as a patron. Our country has been honored to spread the Zimbabwe gastronomy across the world, and why not having the first ever for Africa conference in Zimbabwe. We are hoping that we'll get that, and next year will be great.